Looking for the best car circuit tester in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best car circuit tester available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The P100/P200 Automotive Circuit Tester is a versatile diagnostic tool designed for professional mechanics and automotive enthusiasts. Compatible with both 12V and 24V systems, it features a clear TFT screen that displays accurate readings for quick troubleshooting. The built-in oscilloscope function helps analyze signal waveforms, while PWM output capability allows efficient component testing. Overload protection enhances safety by preventing damage during operation. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly interface make electrical diagnostics faster and more precise. Whether testing circuits, sensors, or wiring, this tool delivers reliable performance and is a valuable addition to any automotive workshop. Number 4. The P112V/24V Probe Pen Car Tester is a practical and reliable diagnostic tool for quickly identifying automotive electrical issues. Designed for testing voltage, circuits, ignition systems, and battery conditions, it provides accurate readings that help streamline troubleshooting. Its voltage-resistant construction enhances durability and safety during use, making it suitable for both professional technicians and DIY users. The ergonomic pen-style design offers comfortable handling and easy access to tight spaces. Compact yet effective, the P100 simplifies electrical diagnostics, saving time and effort while ensuring dependable performance for routine vehicle maintenance and repair tasks. Number 3. The 2026 JDiag P100 Automotive Circuit Tester is a handy diagnostic tool for quickly checking vehicle electrical systems. Supporting both 12V and 24V AC/DC circuits, it accurately detects voltage, power, and grounding issues. The probe design allows easy access to wiring and connectors, making troubleshooting faster and more efficient. Durable, compact, and user-friendly, it is an excellent choice for mechanics and car owners seeking reliable electrical diagnostics. Number 2. The Diagtool V200 Car Electric Circuit Tester is a reliable and versatile diagnostic tool designed for efficient automotive electrical troubleshooting. Supporting a wide voltage range of 6V to 30V, it is suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The clear LCD display provides accurate voltage readings, making it easy to identify wiring faults, power issues, and grounding problems. Its ergonomic probe design allows quick access to hard-to-reach connectors and circuits. Durable construction and user-friendly operation make the V200 ideal for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts seeking fast, accurate, and dependable electrical system diagnostics. Number 1. The Diagtool V500 Automotive Power Circuit Probe is an impressive diagnostic tool that combines multiple testing functions into one compact device. Designed for 9V to 30V vehicle systems, it serves as a circuit tester, multimeter, oscilloscope, injector tester, and relay tester, making it highly versatile for automotive diagnostics. The built-in oscilloscope helps analyze electrical signals and waveforms, while the multimeter function provides accurate voltage and circuit measurements. Its user-friendly interface and clear display make troubleshooting faster and more efficient, even for complex electrical issues. The sturdy construction ensures durability in workshop environments, and the comprehensive testing capabilities reduce the need for multiple tools. For professional mechanics and serious DIY enthusiasts, the V500 offers excellent value, convenience, and reliable diagnostic performance.